Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you exactly how to enable dark mode in Jira the way. If you spend hours managing projects, issues, or sprints, this one simple change can make your Jira experience so much easier on the eyes. So let's jump straight in. First off, let's quickly talk about why dark mode matters. Enabling it not only reduces glare and eye strain, especially during long working hours, but it also gives your dashboard a clean, modern look. And if you're on a laptop, it can even help save some battery life. All right, now let's set it up. Open your browser and log into your Jira account. Once you're in, head over to the Your Work page. This is your main hub where all your recent projects and tasks live. Next, move to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you access to all your personal settings. From there, look for the theme option in the menu. This is where all the appearance customization happens. Now comes the best part. Under theme, simply select dark. Instantly, your Jira interface will switch to a sleek, dark background. It's smooth, stylish, and perfect for late night productivity sessions or anyone who just prefers a darker aesthetic. And that's it. You've successfully turned on dark mode in Jira. Simple, clean, and a big win for your comfort and focus. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss future Jira or productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.